Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 context menu or right click is slow or laggy. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, you just have to open your command prompt as an administrator. So just click on start and here you just have to search for CMD. Right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Then click yes. Now you might get this type of screen. You just have to enter a command here. So here's the command, which is reg space add space hkcu backslash software backslash clashes backslash clsit and then some numbers. So you just have to enter the same command into your CMD. So let's say I'm gonna enter this here. Just enter command, and as you can see that the operation completed successfully. Once you might see this type notification that your operation has been completed successfully, you just have to close your CMD. Now this is time to restart your file explorer. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your task manager. Just open task manager, and in your task manager you just have to look for file explorer. So here you can search for this. I'm gonna search for explorer, and here's the app. You just have to right click on it and then click restart. Now, once you have restarted, your issue has been now fixed. Everything on your PC, including your taskbar and your settings, will be restarted. And once your PC has been your file explorer has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.